In this video, you will learn to set up server. You can get server for just $5 from any of popular cloud service provider. Vultr is one of them. You can also go to linode.com and the pricing of server is $5 for 1 GB RAM. And also here at Vultr you will find pricing of 1 GB RAM is $5. I would recommend you to go for server which has RAM at least of 1 GB or higher than that. In order to create a server, you need to create an account with Vultr or Linode, any one of them. At this time, I am going to stick with Vultr and I will show you how to set up your Vultr server. So let's get started. Once you log into Vultr and set up your billing account, you will have dashboard which looks like this. On the right hand side, click on this plus button which shows deploy new server. Now choose data center region that is closest to your targeted web visitors. Let's say my targeted visitors are in United States. So I can select Chicago, and in server type you must choose Ubuntu 14.04 x64. After that you have to select server size. As I mentioned, your server must have at least of 1 GB RAM. After that you may want to enable IP version 6, and I would recommend you to enable auto backups which will cost you $1 per month. After that you need to add an SSH key. At present I have 2 SSH key here. However, I would like to add a new SSH key for you. So click on add new. On Windows you will need a open source software called Putty. Go to download Putty and download PuttyGen. If your computer is 64-bit, then you should click this link. Now click on generate. Now this is your public key. You need to copy this public key to your server and save the private key to your computer. So let's copy this public key first. Add it here. Give some name to it. Now as you could see, SSH key has been added. Next we will go back to instances. We have to repeat the process once again. As I said, you must select Ubuntu 14.04 x64. Enable IP version 6. Enable auto backups, and at this time select SSH key Vultr 4. Your host name should be box dot your domain name, and after that click deploy now. Now server has been added successfully. It will take some time to install. In the meantime, I am going to say private key. You must understand that anyone with this private key will have access to your server unless you also have secured this private key with passphrase. So let's enter some passphrase. Then click on Save Private Key. Give it some name and save it. As you could see, our server has been deployed successfully and it is running. In next video, I will finalize installation of mail server.